Okay, Ryan. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do field sobriety. All right. We're gonna step right over this driveway and we'll do it over there, okay?
Is it flat?
It sure is, buddy. Right over there.
I'm gonna follow you.
Well, you're gonna walk in front of me. You can go over there.
Okay. No problem. Make sure it's not my mama.
Okay, so can you tell me what happened with the accident side of things? Which way were you coming?
I was coming this way, he was coming that way. And like he was a little crossed over and I was probably in the middle too. And then like all of a sudden it was a swerve and that's how my, like the left or right side of my car, that's how it got messed up because I was like, whoa. It jarred me a little bit, but I had my seatbelt on, so.
Okay, good. Do you need any medical attention at all? Are you good?
My knee's hurting a little bit, but.
Okay, are you gonna be all right? I mean, we got firefighters here that can check you out.
I've dealt with a lot of stuff, but.
Okay, all right.
Might as well get it done. See,
all right, man.
Do your thing, man.
Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to do toe to toe, heel to heel, just like this, hands down by your side. And put your toes together like mine are. Okay, hands down by your side. Okay, what I want you to do, don't move from that position. Make sure you keep your toes together. See how there's a little bit of a gap? All right, thank you. All right. You just got big feet, huh?
That's my wide feet.
All right, all right. Hands down by your side just like that. Okay, I'm gonna take your hat off just so I can see your eyes. Okay, I'm gonna set it right here. Oh yeah, I get it. All right, what I'm gonna do is I want you to follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay.
Yes,
don't turn your head or anything. Yeah. Just follow with your eyes. Okay. You understand that?
Yep.
All right. Okay, can you tilt your head down, look level for me? I want you to follow my finger up, okay? Okay. All right, for this next test, what I want you to do is I want you to stand right foot in front of your left, just like this, hands down by your side for me.
Okay. I'm just laughing because we did this in training, but all right.
You guys did it in training?
Yeah, but nobody can get past it, so all right.
Okay. Right foot in front of your left, hands down by your side. Okay. I want you to stay in that position until I tell you to begin. You understand that?
Until begin what?
Until I tell you to begin. I'm going to explain how to take this test.
Gotcha.
But I want you to just remain in that position until I tell you to begin.
This one right here?
Yep, hands down by your side.
Tie my shoes up?
Go ahead, man. Whatever you need to do.
Is that all right?
Yeah, you're fine. Go ahead. You said you've done this in training?
Well, man, we had this Navy SEALs training, and they had us doing stuff like this. So.
All right, well, you should be pretty good at it then.
Well, we'll see. My whole problem was I couldn't ever keep it still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Now that you're ready, what I want you to do is I want you to put your right foot in front of your left, hands down by your side.
Can I do it your way?
No, you have to stand right there, okay?
I feel like I'm a little uphill.
Okay, that's fine. It's not uphill, it's pretty level, so right foot in front of your left, hands down by your side. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to remain in that position until I tell you to begin. All right? When I tell you to begin, and only when I tell you to begin, I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps, and it's going to look just like this, okay? 1, 2, 3. It's going to be in a straight line. So imagine there's a line
Do
coming.
I still need to stand like this while,
Yes, you do.
while I'm watching you?
Yes, you do. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. 9 heel to toe steps in a straight line.
Okay.
You're going to count out loud your steps.
Yeah.
They're going to be heel to toe again on a straight line. So imagine there's a line coming out from that front foot.
Gotcha.
Yep. All right. On your 9th step, you're going to pivot on your front foot. You're going to take your back foot, step out. Take several small steps in a circle.
One nice step.
On your 9th step.
Then I'm gonna rotate.
Yes. You're going to pivot on that front foot.
Okay.
Okay. And you're going to step out with your back foot and take several small steps in a circle.
Okay.
And you're going to face the same direction you just came from.
Okay.
Okay. 9 more heel to toe steps back in that same direction. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Do you want me to describe the turn for you again?
No, I'm going 9 heel to toe.
9 heel to toe this way.
Yep. And then I'm gonna circle around with my outside foot.
Well, you leave your front foot pivoted. Step out with your back foot.
So it should. Yeah, okay.
Take several small steps in a circle. So you're going to pivot on that front foot. See how I'm doing it?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Okay? Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay. You're going to count your steps out loud. Keep your hands down by your side.
All right.
Okay? Do the turn correctly. You have any questions, anything like that?
Can I ask one question about this? turn?
Absolutely. Go ahead.
So once I get to 9,
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3.
Just
and
you don't have to count your steps in a circle,
then,
but
yeah, but then I'm going straight.
straight back. 9
Okay.
more. Okay?
All right, cool.
All right. Right foot in front of your left. Hands down by your side. Okay, when you're ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. This next test, what I want you to do is I want you to stand just right here for me.
Yes, sir.
Okay? I want you to stand toe to toe, heel to heel, just like this. Hands down by your side. Okay.
If you asked me to close my eyes and do that, I couldn't do that.
I'm not asking you to close your eyes, all
I'm
right,
about
bud?
to say I couldn't do that when they tried to.
All right. Well, that's not what we're going to do here, okay?
Okay, yes,
all right.
sir.
What we're going to do is I want to have you lift either foot. I don't care which foot it is. When I tell you to begin, I want you to lift it 6 inches off the ground, parallel to the ground.
The one that you asked.
Nope. I don't care which foot.
Either one.
Either one.
Yes,
all
sir.
right. So either foot, you're going to lift it 6 inches off the ground, parallel to the ground. Okay? And don't point your toe. Keep your legs straight. Don't bend your knees.
Okay.
Hands down by your side. You're going to look down at your toe, and you're going to count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, all the way until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Okay? Hold on 1 second. You got to watch.
No, but I have my phone. Can
That's
I
fine.
give it to IDs?
Yeah, let me get field sobriety done. I'm going to time.
Sorry, B.
You're good.
I want to get stung while I'm out here.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
Whenever you're ready, you may begin.
Hold on now. I'm holding it up. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There,
Thousands.
count 1001, 1002.
All right.
Just parallel to the ground, hands down by your side.
1001. 1002. That's impossible anyway. 1001. 1002. 1003. 1004. Now what?
Keep going.
You still
Until he tells you to stop.
Oh, sorry. Can I start over? Because,
Okay, stop. All right, you got that? Okay, here's the deal, man. Based off of the test, it appears that you might be intoxicated, okay? Can you let go of your hands for me?
Can I get 2 cups, please?
Of what?
Like two sets of cups? Because one ain't gonna do it.
Well,
You're good,
looks
you're
like
good.
one's doing it to me.
It hurt last time.
Well, I promise it's not going to hurt this time, okay? We're going to take good care of you, bud.
I ain't got none.
Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take you down to our station, and we're going to have a breathalyzer machine, and we'll have you blow into that, okay?
Alright.
But I have a reason to believe, based off these tests, that you are intoxicated, okay?
I understand.
All right, let's go over here to my patrol car.
You got my hat?
Yep. This way right here.
I didn't know which way you was going. I was following you.
We're just gonna go that back left side over here. Garcia.
Sorry, fellas.
You're good.
Watch your
Not
head.
good, but
Watch your head. Watch your head. Is that lady a passenger?
it's my mother.
That's your mom?
She was riding with you?
No, she just got here because
She just got hit. Okay.
All right, I'm gonna buckle you in, okay? Try to get your other foot in all the way. I know you're a big guy. .44 Springdale, 1050. 44 Springdale, 1050.
Oh, man.
10-4-3-44.
Damn, the bitch is hurt, bro. Hey, sir.
Yes, sir.
Will you make sure my mother grabs my phones off the back of that tailgate that's like on the side of the truck? I
Yep.
just hope they're there.
Yep.
I don't know if she grabbed them or not, but
Yes.
thank you.
got mine.
Your phone is. Yep, help out. Yeah, boat skis for shoes, huh?
Yeah, I know it. Oh.
Face this wall right here for me.
Yes, sir. Sorry, but
Oh, you're fine.
like I said, I got the boat, so
Yeah.
I'm following you. Cause I'll definitely.
Well, I'll have you walk in front of me. I just don't want you to fall over or anything, okay?
Oh, I'll definitely have to do that.
The metal detector you're going to walk through, it does not work, so don't worry about it going off, okay?
Well, I got so.
All right, well, we'll take those off in a second, okay?
Well, I mean, if it.
Nah, it doesn't work.
Alright, man. This one?
Yep.
Is that what in my head?
All right, turn face the X right here for me. Okay. I'll walk this way. Walk over here. You're gonna go to that second stall on the right here. I'm gonna close this door real quick, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to turn and face this door for me. I'm gonna get those handcuffs off, okay?
Alright, yes, sir.
I'm with Miller. I like that armband. That's pretty cool. Is that like Miller Lite Miller?
No, it's a kid that's sick.
Oh, okay.
That's my boy.
All right. You put your arm on the wall for me? Put that arm up on the wall.
Oh, sorry.
You're good.
This is my first time, so just
Ah, yeah, first time for everything.
walk me through it, man.
Okay. All right, I want you to have a seat right there for me, bud.
Yes, sir. You got a hat around here?
Huh?
Does anybody got hiring around here?
Got what around here?
Anybody hiring around here?
Oh, are you looking for a job as a police officer? They say you're off to a rough start.
Well, if anything besides this job, I just fucked up. So.
All right, I'm gonna read you your Arkansas Statement of Rights, so I need you to pay attention, okay, Ryan?
Yes, sir.
All right, you advise that any person who operates or has an actual physical control of a motorboat or motor vehicle in this state is deemed to give consent to one or more chemical tests of his or her breath, saliva, or urine for the purpose of determining the alcohol or controlled substance content of his or her breath or blood if the person is, number one, involved in an accident while operating or in actual physical control of a motorboat on the waters of the state or a motor vehicle, or number two, the person is arrested for any offense arising out of an act alleged to have been committed while the person was driving or boating while intoxicated, or driving or boating while there is an alcohol concentration of 0.08, which is 0.08 or more in the person's breath or blood. Number three, at the time the person is arrested for driving or boating while intoxicated, the law enforcement officer has reasonable cause to believe that the person, while operating under an actual physical control of a motorboat on the waters of the state or motor vehicle, is intoxicated or has an alcohol concentration of 0.08, 0.08 or more in the person's breath or blood. If you refuse to take this test, none will be given to you, okay? But you do subject yourself to penalties provided by law, which includes but is not limited to the suspension or revocation of your driving privileges, and if you're a commercial driver's license holder, the disqualification of your commercial driving privileges.
So if I don't take any of those, right? If I don't take any of those, then I just can't drive anymore.
They'll suspend your license, yes, sir.
I want that one.
Okay. If you're asked to submit to,
Can I talk to my attorney first?
you're more than welcome to, but let me finish this because this is implied consent. Whenever you get behind the wheel of a motor vehicle or a motorboat in the state of Arkansas,
Right.
it's implied consent that you're willing to take these tests. Okay, so if you don't want to take this test, it's called violation of implied consent.
I don't want to cause them more trouble.
Well, you're not causing me any trouble, that's your right, but you have to understand that your driving privileges will be suspended or revoked if you do not, if you're in violation of the implied consent law, okay?
Here's my question. Say I do that and don't drive anymore. Do I have to be on the damn website and this shit go?
Yes, you do, yes. Yeah. Now I'm going to finish reading these and then I'll have you initial and stuff like that, okay? If you're asked to submit to a blood test, you understand that you do not have to submit to such tests unless you voluntarily agree to do so. Further, you understand that you cannot suffer criminal penalties if you choose not to submit to a blood test. If you choose to take a chemical test and the results reflect an alcohol concentration of 0.08, 0.08 or more, or the presence of a controlled substance or any other intoxicant, your driving privilege will be suspended or revoked. And if you're the holder of a commercial driver's license, your commercial driving privileges will be disqualified. If you take the chemical test required by law enforcement, you may also, at your own expense, have a physician, registered nurse, lab technician, or other qualified person of your choice administer an additional chemical test. The arresting law enforcement agency will assist you in obtaining such test. If you choose to have an additional test and are later found not guilty of the violation of the DWI or BWI Act or the underage DUI or BUI law for this arrest, the arresting law enforcement agency will reimburse you the cost of that additional test. So I have read you your Arkansas Statement of Rights. I need you to if you understand your Arkansas Statement of Rights that I just read you.
That's not me.
It's not any admission of guilt. It's just you saying you understand it.
Consent to any of those.
Or consent to any of them.
Okay.
It's just you saying you understand it.
Okay.
I just need you to initial there, and this last one right here.
The four right there?
I'll point them out.
No, I got you.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and then this one down here is number 4.
Gotcha.
And the last one. Yep. Okay.
That was the first time I get to talk to my attorney.
Okay, I'll explain that in a second. Okay. Now, did you understand your rights?
No, yeah.
Okay.
I don't have to do any of that, but
Right. If you don't want to, it's called violation of implied consent. Okay. You can initial or check right there if you want it. If you understand them, check right there. Okay. The test that we were going to give you is a breath test. Okay. If you don't want to take that test, check no. If you will take that test, check yes.
I just want to talk to my legal counsel first. Is the only thing.
Okay. Well, here's the thing. In the state of Arkansas, it's implied consent when you get behind the wheel of a motor vehicle.
Right.
Okay. Your attorney does not have to be present for this.
Well, he's coming.
Okay. And that's fine. Okay. I'm not asking you any incriminating questions right now. This is implied consent. Meaning, when you get behind the wheel, you're consenting to a breath test. So if you get brought in for something like today, you're consenting to a breath test. If you refuse to take that breath test, they're going to suspend or revoke your driving privileges. Okay, and that's
For how long?
well, that's up to the judge, and that's when you go before the judge.
So if that's my first offense, it shouldn't be too crazy.
It depends. I mean, it depends on what the judge says. The thing is you got into an accident today.
That's right.
Okay.
I'm not gonna say whose fault it was.
Right. I mean, we have the evidence of the accident on scene that shows who's at fault and things like that. The main concern right now is that you are under the influence based off the field sobriety they gave you out there on the street. And to determine what you're...
There's 95% of the people that couldn't do what I did.
Okay.
No, I'm not trying to argue.
No.
I'm just saying, that's a hard test.
Yeah. So to determine how much alcohol content is in your system, I'm asking to give you a breath test. If you do not want to take such a breath test, you'll check no.
And then what?
Well, and then I'll sign that at the bottom, acknowledging that you do not want to take it, and you'll be arrested for DWI, violation of implied consent, and careless prohibited driving.
So the same thing happens if I do the breath test.
Well, it gives me a reading. You won't be arrested for violation of implied consent if you do the breath test. Okay. So are you wanting to take the breath test? Okay. If you want to take the breath test, I need you to sign on the subject's signature line right there for me. Oh, you're fine. Okay.
Mind if I search you?
Yeah, you're good. All right, Ryan, here's the deal. So whenever we bring somebody into jail, they get searched twice. Once by the officer on the street and once by the jailer in the jail. If you can turn around and face that wall for me, they'll search you over there.
I guess it's like that, huh? I think this one.
These strings come out?
What?
Do those strings come out?
No, they're pretty much up there.
Okay.
I can lose them for you.
Well, we're either have to change it in the jail pants or we'll have to cut them off.
Got scissors? Give me some scissors for you to cut.
Okay. Can you get these braces off for me real fast?
Oh man. Cancer razor.
Be right back. Just take a seat real quick.
Everyone's still working in Washington County. You know what I'm talking about?
What's up?
Edwin Roy, you still working over in Washington County?
You know what? I don't know if old man Roy's over there or not.
His wife is a babysitting.
Oh, really?
Yeah, from Lincoln.
Do you have any other property?
Any property? Yeah. This and a phone. I haven't gone through any of that, and then a driver's license here.
I'll toss it over. Or unless you want to for the 31st.
I don't need to. You just need to do an inventory if you want to do the inventory for me on the rest
Where's
sheet.
my other phone at? You didn't find out?
Your what?
My work phone?
It was probably in there. The only one I grabbed was off the back of your truck. So it was probably in your inside your truck, the other one.
Go ahead and take your keys off for me real quick.
I'm gonna see that.
Well, it's a good reason to put my house for sale in Arkansas now. Oh, sorry, sir.
You're fine. Take your socks off real quick. I just need to look at the bottom of your feet and then you put your socks back on, okay? Okay, put your socks back on. Alright, stand up for me real fast and just pull the string out as far as you can.
It feels like I'm off.
Okay.
Hey, just strip the whole damn thing.
You're fine.
Are you alright?
You're good. Take a seat.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to explain how to take this. This is a one-way valve, okay?
Just blow.
Just blow into it. It's a real deep breath, and you blow into it until I tell you to stop. It's going to make some noises, and I'll tell you go, 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 and then it'll beep and it'll stop, okay? So this is one of those tests that if you don't take the test properly,
I'll do it right, sir. I'm
Okay.
not one of those assholes.
okay, cool.
I'm not gonna like live TV.
Yeah. You like that TV show?
It ain't bad.
Yeah.
Until now.
So you're on the other side, huh?
I've never had a problem with both of it. I'm more upset about the kids on my team, man. I don't even care about me.
About what?
Kids on my softball team. I care less about me. My shit's over with, so. It's been So this is gonna go on a website and it's gonna be for a page paper, right?
I doubt it. Honestly, I don't know. I really have no idea what I did.
Be great, because maybe I can still go play the XFL. My family needs money. She's got engaged and wants to go. She's gonna kill me. You said I'm gonna be in a bond out tonight with somebody giving.
Yes, sir, absolutely. As soon as we get done with this test, they'll book you in, and then you'll be awarded a phone call, and you can call somebody, you can call your attorney, call your mama, so your own call.
I think definitely calling.
Okay.
He's my agent too, so he. Yeah.
All right. Deep breath, and I'll tell you when to stop, okay?
Yeah, water.
We do not. We can get you one after this test, though.
My throat is really dry.
Okay.
I'm just saying, I don't know if that's gonna affect it.
Probably not, as long as you blow into it properly.
Count of three.
No, when you're ready, just Deep breath and just blow into it, okay? Long, steady breath. Go, 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 go. Okay, awesome. I'll need one other sample just like that.
What was that one?
I have no earthly idea. It says evaluating sample.
Okay.
As soon as we get on this test, I'll get you a glass of water, okay?
That's fine. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
You've been messing with, helpful.
absolutely, yes, sir.
Sorry I had to, stop it from getting other criminals, but, I'm obviously criminals, right? So. Looks like a few people pushed that wall right there, or that door right there, huh?
Yeah. Some people really don't like us.
I'd rather keep my
From the looks of it, it doesn't give any.
from the left.
From the looks of it, it doesn't think it gives any.
Yeah, not left. I'm still damn dirty from home yard today. Jesus Christ. You know any of the Craig Grove cops?
Not really.
Fayetteville cops? Jason Cooper? No?
344 to 329.
I used to play baseball with him while I lived in Lincoln.
Are you available for an eval? I'll brief you in the report room. Okay. One more time for me. Same as last time. Deep breath.
Ready?
Yep, I'm ready when you are. Go, 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 go. Oh.
Oh, I missed.
Yeah.
Sorry.
We're going to try that again, okay?
Yeah.
You got a deep breath and you got to blow into a hard, steady breath. Just long,
Like
steady
from
breath.
the chest?
Yep, from the chest.
Gotcha. Sorry about that.
You're all right.
Not used to it, man. Not used
Yeah.
to it. This is the second time now.
All right, do this again. Do it right. Like last time, all right?
You got it.
Deep breath. Go, 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 go. Okay.
I think my tongue.
Yeah, well, you don't want to put your tongue on it.
Not bad.
So, you got to make sure you blow a good sample, man, because if you don't blow a good sample, it's still a violation of implied consent.
You
Like,
gotta do one more?
oh, yeah, I mean, I'll give you some more tries.
Yeah, I did.
But-
I was blowing with my tongue. Just,
You just need to understand, like, part of being behind the wheel of a vehicle in the state of Arkansas, you got implied consent that you can take this test properly, and
Yes,
you've
sir.
already proven to me that you can do it once just fine, okay?
yeah, I just messed the other two up. Yeah, I got you, bro. Or sir. Sorry.
Okay. Do this right. Go, 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 go. Okay. We may need one more just like that, but that's exactly how I need you to do it, okay?
You may need one more.
One more maybe. I gotta check, see what the machine
That's
says.
fine, man. Let me know. I mean, hell, I ain't going nowhere. Obviously.
Yeah.
The first two show, or is it one show?
I'm checking it right now.
It can't be too crazy though. Just have one. That was it.
Okay, you blew a .081. All right. Now, have you taken any controlled substances or anything like that?
Not that I know of, no.
Okay. What I'm going to have is I'm going to have a drug recognition expert come in and give you an evaluation. He's on his way right now. Make sure you're not under the influence of anything else, okay? Now,
So I was 0.1 over the limit. Is it?
yeah.
Yeah, like I don't take.
Yeah,
my-
.01. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you come over here and have a seat, get you booked in. Yep, to the left,
Yes, sir.
and then to the left. And actually, I'll tell you what, I'm going to have you come right over here, have a seat right there. I'm going to handcuff you to that bench, okay? Just have a seat right there. Okay? Nope, no, not behind your back, just right here.
Oh, sure. Man, it's like I said, my first time. I don't know.
Yeah.
So I blew a 0.1.
You do a .08. I have a DRE coming in doing an evaluation. I just want to put him here, just keep him under observation. I'll do all this in a second. I haven't even started.